Hello guys, so this is NTI day 7. You are either completing it on paper, which honestly I wouldn't even do that. I would just do it on Chromebook or your phone, or you are completing it on Google Forms. If you're completing it on paper, then you're going to do this part by yourself where you graph a supply curve. If you're doing it along with me, then you're just going to watch this video and then you're going to answer the questions on the Google form. Okay, so we'll all end up doing the same thing. So it says, using the supply schedule below, graph a supply curve for Jake's Famous Donuts in the blank graph below and answer the related questions. So basically, this is me kind of checking like what your math and graphing skills are. We're going to have a supply curve for Jack's Donuts. We have the price of each donut on the y-axis and the quantity of each donut on the x-axis. So this is, as the price goes up, will Jack make more donuts or less donuts if he has those customers? So I'm going to use these numbers, my price down here. I'm going to use these numbers, my quantity over here. So here I go. It says the price of one donut is $1. So I'm going to start here and go up to $1. And then 5 is what people will buy. So over to 5. And I'm going to put a little dot. Okay, next one. The price of a donut is $2. So I'll go up to 2. Then I run over to 10. So I go over here to 10 and put a little dot. I'll do one more like that. If the price is 3, then people will buy 15. Then I'm not how many people will buy. I'm sorry. Then he will make 15. If the price is 3, I'm going to go up to 3. He's willing to make and sell 15. I'll put a dot on 15. I'm not going to do the little laser pointer anymore. I'm just going to roll with it. So 4, if the price is 4, I go up to 4. He's willing to make 20. If the price is 5, I go up to 5, and he's willing to make 40, which is over here. Okay, and now I'm going to connect those lines and label it with S for supply. So basically that shows us the supply curve is upward sloping. It goes up towards the sky. Supply reaches for the sky. All right, so I'm going to go down or over to the next one, and let's do Steve's Farm. So I'm going to go a little bit faster here, but notice the graph is missing a title. It's missing a y-axis and an x-axis label. So we're going to give those labels. The title is going to be Farm Tomatoes. The y-axis is going to be the price for one basket of tomatoes, and the x-axis is going to be the quantity supplied. How many is Steve, the farmer, willing to make? So for $4, if he's going to sell his thing for $4, we would go up to 4. He would only make 10. He'd only use his time to make 10 baskets if they're only going to sell for $4. If they're going to sell for $6, then he would make 40. If they're going to sell for $10, then he would make 70. If they're going to sell for $12, then he would make 100. And so again, it's a little bit different this time, but we've got an upward sloping supply curve. We would label it with an S for supply. So that's our video. You guys are going to answer the questions either on paper or on Google Docs, which I recommend, not Google Docs, Google Form, which I recommend, so it's a lot easier. All right.